Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. My dear friends, this is the 1 hour chart of gold in front of us, and as you can see, that things have not changed much. Our levels are more or less still very much intact. Yesterday there was some correction on the chart of gold and we saw that our level worked very nicely and market bounced immediately, and right now gold is standing at 1982 and approaching the previous high of 1984. So let's discuss step by step. First of all, let's talk about DXY US dollar index. As we have already discussed that the dollar index should remain within the range of 100.80 on the upside and 99.50 on the downside. This is the range of DXY, and as we all know it, that both fundamentally and technically DXY is bearish right now. Sellers are dominating this market, as a result of which there is immense pressure on dollar index. That's why when DXY tried to recover also, there was not much buying power. As a result, the upside failed to continue, and we can see that dollar index is going down again. Dollar index is again approaching double digit. As I have clearly mentioned in my previous videos, that in case dollar index tries to recover also, the road will not be very easy, because we have immediate resistance around 100.80 to 101 level. The previous support will be working as a strong resistance this time. So dollar index should remain before the news. Yes, we have a news coming up. Not a very big event like NFP or CPI, but yes, there will be some volatility, so you need to be careful. You can see that we have jobless claims data coming up, so there will be some volatility during the US session. So beginners, new traders, traders with low capital, do not gamble with your hard-earned money. There will be ample opportunities in the market. You don't need to trade each and every day, each and every session. Be a trader, not a gambler. So right now, as we can see, that gold is hitting 1982-83 level, and as I said yesterday, that the volatility of the market will be very important. If the volatility of the market is high, then there is a high chance that market will break the resistance and head towards the next resistance of 2001 to 2005. Yes, we do not have any immediate resistance. This is the next stop on the chart of gold. Let me show you. See, this is the Forex chart in front of us. Let me remove the drawings here. You can see that if market breaks this level here, then we do not have any immediate resistance. The next resistance will be around 2001-2005 level, and the reason is that the previous support will be working as resistance. Still, it is not a very strong one. In fact, when there was a trend reversal here, I clearly mentioned that swing traders, positional traders, you can go for a long trade here, and many of you have taken also, okay, because I have received 5 to 6 emails where you have expressed your gratitude after taking a buy position. In fact, I have also taken a small buy. I won't say that big buy, okay, small buy position of 0.1 lot around 1920, and I'm still holding to it, and I'll be exiting around 2000 level. And yes, many of you have also taken, and I really feel happy about it. So 1982 is the present level right now, and as I said, if market breaks 1984, and there's a high chance that market will break also, and we can go for a buy above 1984 level, and then market will be approaching the level of 2001 to 2005, and 2001-2005 is also not a very strong resistance. Okay, yes, there will be a small bump, there will be some small correction around 2001-2005 level. That's it. And if the upside continues, then market will break 2001-2005 level as well. So our yesterday's level of 1969 to 1970 is still very much valid before the news. In case market drops before the news, you can look for some support around 1969, 1970. Simply go to 15 minutes time frame. If you see that market is showing price rejection from below, market is forming a hammer pattern, you will get the confirmation the market is taking support, and you can click on the buy button. And in case of high volatility, this will not work because already the level has worked yesterday, so the level has weakened. This may not work today. In that case, in case of high volatility, your focus should be on the next level of 1965. This is our second support for the day if market drops before news. Okay, in case if you see that there's a heavy selling pressure going on in the market, if not a complete trend reversal, at least you can expect a bounce of 40 pips around 1965 level. If market bounces, you can definitely go for a buy. And as I have clearly shown you yesterday, that the strongest support, yes, the strongest presence of buyers on the chart of gold is around 1960 to 1963. This is the strongest support. Already we have a good buyers present around 1960 to 63. Why? The reason is we have previous resistance working as support here. Then we have Fibonacci, also we have Fibonacci. Then we have moving average support around this area. So if we combine all the factors, 1960 63 is a very strong support. And in case of a big heavy selling pressure also, we can expect some support around this area. So we have three supports on the chart of gold for the day: 1969, 1970, which worked yesterday, so it is a weak one today. In case of low volatility, you can expect the support to work. And apart from that, we have the next support of 1965. In case of high volatility, obviously yesterday's support will not work. In that case, keep your eyes on 1965 level, 65, 66 level. And the third support is around 1960 to 63. Okay, 60 63 is the strongest support on the chart of gold. But as we can clearly see, that market is hitting the previous high of 1984, and there's a good chance also that market will be breaking the level here. So to save yourself from false breakout, because see, for the breakout, volume is extremely important. And right now I'm recording this video in the Asian session. In the Asian session, we do not see much volatility, and I'm also in 1 hour time frame. So if market breaks also this level, wait for a couple of minutes, wait for at least 1 hour 2 hour, and just see how the market is doing. If you see that after 1 or 2 hours market is trading comfortably, then you can go for a buy position. Okay, usually I do not prefer to wait for a couple of hours, personally speaking. Okay, but when we have a situation like this, okay, when we do not have much, okay, when we are trading on Asian session and Asian we do not have much volatility, then obviously there is a fear of false breakout. To avoid that, you can go for a buy after 1 or 2 hours. And on the other hand, if you get a similar breakout during the European session, US session, when the market is backed by volume, you can definitely go for a buy at breakout. But still the breakout looks to be pretty decent right now. But still I'll say that as it is Asian session, okay, wait for some time, because you need volume and we don't have the confirmation yet. For example, in US session, everybody knows that volume is there. Okay, volume, we have volume. Okay, so let's wait and watch. Anyways, this is all from my side, my dear friends. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, take care. As I always say, be a trader, not a gambler. So do not gamble during the news, and please follow proper risk management. This is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. Do your own research. Okay, bye bye, take care.